These immune shots are not only going to keep you healthy during the winter months and beyond, they're also going to look after your pocket because making yours at home is going to save you tons of money. Welcome back to Oma Yum's Kitchen. It's Yinka here, and if you're just coming across my video for the first time, a warm welcome to you as well. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare 2 types of immune boosting shots. These shots are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, and these are all essential for our immune function. Having a strong immune system means that your body will be able to fight off illnesses easily, or even maybe reduce the severity of illness if you do fall sick. So let's get right into it. The first type is Indonesian jamu, popularly known as turmeric shots, and for that we're going to be needing all of these ingredients. Please make sure you wash and clean all your root vegetables very well. You can make use of a small toothbrush to do that. Just make sure you get rid of all the dirt on it, and then you keep it aside. Next, I'm going to be measuring out my coconut water. I'm making use of fresh coconut water, but you can always make use of the ones in the carton. They work well as well. Between these 2 coconuts, I got 3 cups of coconut water. I think it's pretty good. I went ahead to peel my root vegetables. I peeled my turmeric because they were not looking as fresh as I would love for them to be. So if you have, really fresh turmerics that are looking really nice after you've washed them, you do not have to go through this process. You just need to cut them and go ahead to the next step. But because mine were not looking as nice as I would want, so I had to go through this process. And this is some extra task that you may not want to do because turmeric can stain things so easily. Anyway, I peeled all of it and I went back to rinse it again. I also peeled my ginger as well, just because I had already peeled my turmeric. I thought I would also peel the ginger. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead to subscribe. Also leave me a comment and hit the thumbs up button, okay? Please remember to wear gloves when handling turmeric because it will stain your fingers and that may remain for a few days. So remember to wear your gloves. I also wish I'd protected my countertop with something, but I didn't do that, so there's a bit of stain which I expect to fade away over time and with cleaning. If you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. I really appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment as well. Thank you. So after peeling and slicing all my root vegetables and washing them again, I went ahead to squeeze my lemon. I placed a strainer over a cup and I squeezed my lemon through that because I do not have a lemon squeezer. So now you're going to add your turmeric, your ginger, and some coconut water into the blender. The water I have is not enough, so I top that up with plain water. Please note that you can actually use plain water for the whole recipe if you don't have access to coconut water. I added some black pepper. This is to activate the turmeric. Next, I added my tamarind. Tamarind is also an optional ingredient. You do not have to use that. Blend everything together like this and until it is nice and smooth. And if you're still watching this video, thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for your support. Please do not forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe if you have not already subscribed to this channel. Thank you. Next, you're going to pour the contents of the blender into a pan and you're going to turn the heat up. You're going to bring it to a boil and then you're going to turn the heat down and allow the pot to simmer for about 20 minutes. After taking it off the heat, you're going to come in with your squeezed lemon juice and some honey. I added 2 tablespoons of honey. You can add a bit more if you want. Sorry, I did not catch that on camera. Next, you're going to be passing this through a strainer or a cheesecloth and you're going to strain it. And look at me here. I have a very small strainer and I overfilled it. You do not want to do that. Don't do that, because turmeric is not forgiving. So I had to be very careful here. Continue to stir gently until I had this pulp. Next, you're going to go ahead and pour your turmeric drink into a glass bottle. Make sure to be careful. You can use a funnel to do this. If you don't have a funnel, you can use a cup with a spout and just pour it in like I'm doing here. This will last up to 7 days in the fridge, and you can also freeze them as well. But if you're going to be freezing it, you're going to be making sure you freeze them in individual portions, and that is to be done in a plastic container. Second juice is quicker and easier to make, and that is the ginger shot. And for this, you're going to be needing some fresh ginger. Make sure to wash your ginger thoroughly, and I have peeled mine here. You do not have to peel yours. If you're happy with the skin, you can go ahead and just slice it with the skin on. Next, you're going to squeeze some lemon. I always like to roll my lemon on the countertop like that, so that it's easy to squeeze. Make sure to remove the seed from your lemon juice. Next, add your ginger to the blender, followed by your lemon juice. And you're going to add some coconut water to that. You can also make use of plain water. Next, you're going to add some cayenne pepper or black pepper, and then you're going to give that a good blend. Please remember to check the description box for the list of ingredients and the exact measurement that I used. Next, you're going to pour your blended mixture through a strainer like I've done here. Make sure to press with the back of a spatula or a spoon so that you get all the juice out. And there you have it. Our ginger shot is ready. You can store this in a plastic container with no problem at all, or a glass jar, that will do as well. This will also last in the fridge for up to 7 days and up to 30 days in the freezer. So you can make a big batch and portion them in single shot bottles and then freeze them. And all you need to do is to bring them out of the freezer the night before, and it's ready for you the following morning. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Please like this video, leave me a comment, and also remember to check the description box for the exact measurement of all the things that I used for this recipe. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Oh my.